Hey guys, welcome back. This is how do I sync my Google Calendar with Outlook. So, first thing is just simply go to one of your calendar, and after that just simply select these three dots over here. Now go for settings and sharing, and just simply scroll down to the bottom, and you will have here secret address in iCal format. Just simply copy this one. Now guys, once you have copy it, you could just simply go to your Outlook, and you could just simply go for add that calendar over here and go for subscribe from web, and just simply paste the link that we just copied over here, and you can provide a calendar name. So I'm gonna go for Google, and after that you could just simply provide the color and emoticons, and just simply select import. And now after that, just simply wait for it to load up. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching. See ya.